Hi, this is Atif, and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on stocks, forex, and on different assets, and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Yesterday I posted 6 altcoins which were expected to give profit within next 24 to 48 hours. First we'll see the results of those trades of those altcoins, and after that I'll show you my new shortlisted altcoins trades. And first I shared with you the ENJ US dollar, and this was the trade of ENJ engine coin with US dollar pair. And on this chart the price action formed a bullish shark and entered in the potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence as my prediction and hit the sell zone. Then I shared this chart of $1 with you, and on this chart the price action retraced the A to B leg retraced between 0.382 to 50 Fibonacci, and B to C was retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci as required for the bad pattern. Therefore, I predicted that the last leg will be completed as required for the bad pattern. And now, after playing this idea, the price action is entered in this potential reversal zone. So this trade is still active and in process. You can enter in this trade because now the price action has entered and has completed the final leg of bad pattern. So it can take the bullish divergence at any time and hit the sell zone very soon. Then I shared this idea of ADA or Cardano US dollar with US dollar pair, and on this chart the price action was forming a bearish shark pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. How I predicted that it will be a bearish shark? Because all legs were driven as required for the bearish shark. After initial leg, the A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci, and B to C leg was retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. Now I'm just playing this idea. Now we can see the price action has completely entered in the potential reversal zone. So this trade is also still in process and still active, and soon the price action will hit this sell zone. Then I shared this idea of waves with US dollar pair with you, and on this chart the price action was even formed a complete cipher pattern, the bullish cipher pattern, and entered in this potential reversal zone. And after playing, we can see that the price action is still in potential reversal zone. So this trade is also still in process and active. You can enter in this trade, and soon the price action will hit the sell zone. Then I shared this idea of RDN or Raiden network with Bitcoin pair with you, and we can see the price action is still moving within the potential reversal zone, even above the potential reversal zone. It is likely to geared up and soon it will hit the sell zone. So this trade is still active, and if you will find the price action within the potential reversal zone before hitting the sell zone, then you can enter in the trade. Then I shared this idea of ERD with US dollar pair, and I was expecting that the last leg of cipher will be completed because all legs are driven as required for the cipher pattern. When we will play the idea, then we can see the price action took the bullish divergence from here. So this pattern is likely to be invalidated. However, we can wait for the leg to be completed, and if the leg will be completed from here, then we can take the long position or buy. Now let's come to today's altcoins, and our first altcoin for today is BTG BTC, the Bitcoin Gold with Bitcoin pair. And on this trade, the price action has completed the formation of bullish crab pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. I have set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence of AD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci. The time period for this trade can be a bit longer than 24 to 48 hours because the time period of this chart is 12 hours. Our next altcoin for today is Matic with Bitcoin pair, and on this trade we can see the price action has completed the formation of short leg and entered in the potential reversal zone. I have shared my targets in the chart description as well. I'm also sharing the link of Tradingview in the video's description. You can find the link there, and when you will click on that link you will be on the Tradingview, and from there you can follow my portal or page, and my all charts are available on my Tradingviews page. Our next trade for today is IOTX with Bitcoin pair, and on this idea you can see the price action has completed the formation of bad pattern. After initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 50 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci, and the final leg is retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. So I have set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence according to bad pattern. It should be AD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 786 Fibonacci. My next idea for today is dog Bitcoin pair, and on this idea you can see the price action is forming a bullish bad pattern. After initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced up to 0.50 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 to 886, and so far it is retraced almost up to 0.618 Fibonacci, sorry 0.50 Fibonacci. I have set my buying area from 0.618 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. However, you can try to buy it from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, because the bad pattern should be from 0.786 up to 886 Fibonacci. I have set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence of AD Fibonacci projection. I have also shared these targets in the chart description. Our next chart is ALGO with Bitcoin pair, and this trade or this coin is really very strong. More than 2,000 BTCs are invested only on Binance in the trade volume of ALGO coin. And on this chart, the price action has completed the formation of bullish shark pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. Our next altcoin for today is REN with Bitcoin pair, and on this idea you can see the price action has completed the formation of bullish bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. Again, I have started my buying zone from 0.618 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. However, you can try to buy it from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And I have set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence as in my previous charts using AD Fibonacci projection. Our next altcoin for today is ONG Bitcoin pair, and on this idea you can see the price action has hit the lower band of the Bollinger Band and also hitting the support at 1846 Satoshis. And also you can see here the MACD is turning bullish. It was strong bearish, now it has turned weak bearish. And also the stochastic has given the bull cross from the oversold zone, so I am expecting that it will hit the Fibonacci sequence from here up to here, and it would be 0.382 up to 786 Fibonacci. I have set my sell targets here, and this support zone or support line should be our stop loss point. If a complete candlestick would be closed below this potential reversal zone, then we should take exit from this trade. We have also a 200 moving average below this potential reversal zone and the price action. Our final and last altcoin for today is IOTA US dollar, and on this trade you can see the price action has completed the bullish cipher pattern. After initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci as required for the A to B leg of bullish cipher pattern, and B to C leg is retraced between 1.272 up to 1.414 Fibonacci, and C to D leg is retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. So I have set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence as required for the cipher pattern, the CD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. I've also shared the Tradingview's link in the chart description. You just need to click on that link, and after when you will be on the Tradingview, by clicking on that link, you just need to select the people option from this drop down list, and after that write in this search bar moon 333. Then you will find the link for my page, and when you will click on this link, my page or portal will be opened, and you can follow any of my chart from here. I have published and posted all charts on my Tradingviews link. I'm also sharing the Binance exchange link in the video's description because the Binance is the exchange which has the largest trading volume of every cryptocurrency. So I would suggest you to trade on Binance. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.